But due to a technical error, I've kind of restarted from the beginning. I don't mind saying. And basically, this is the scrap box. And it's set off on a lay-by off an expressway, well, off a major road. And you may not even notice it was actually even here. You know, you'd see a building in a lay-by, and you wouldn't necessarily see it. In the information, it had scrap box, and how it got its name basically had kept the scraps, and you could help yourself to the scraps. That's not the case anymore, from what I could see, but you can ask for scraps. They've got them there. And they're nice, they're light, they're not greasy, and made up of all kinds of burnt bits and things.
That's going to be the best job.
Oh, we're only from Cheshire.
All right, I'm confirmed.
But we've been on the coast for a few days.
Can I take a picture?
Of course you can, yeah.
Oh. They'll never believe it when I tell them.
While we're waiting for the photo op, this is a Yorkshire fish cake. I cut this in half before the camera glitch, and as you can see here, they've called it a fish patty, and others will call it a Yorkshire fish cake. And it's 2 potato scallops sandwiching a fillet of fish. In this case, it's haddock, and it's in a beef dripping, which is delicious. It's nice and light. People say, you know, it doesn't taste beef. You don't really taste the beef. You have a different taste. But in some places, it can be really quite strong, but overall, it's not. And you wouldn't really notice, to be honest with you. If someone hadn't told you, you might get a smell of difference, but not necessarily the taste. You might just say, oh, that's delicious, before even knowing it was beef dripping. Right, I'm going to try a little bit of this curry sauce. Kind of got a jelliness to it, so I'd imagine maybe a cornstarch or a corn flour. Yeah, okay. Right, I'm going to put those little bits away. Scraps are delicious. No charge for scraps. So what we've got is we've got the large haddock. How fabulous does that look? Let's get in there. Chips. They are really nice. Absolutely. This is the large fish, by the way. We've got a bit of a fly tormenting us here. Now, I'm not bad with flies because I was brought up in Australia. I've worked in Australia. I lived there through my formative years. I've been back in 2 ever since. So I can deal with the flies.
Why do you do that?
No chance. I can't blame it. The horrible things. Right, let's pick this up. Look at that. That looks delicious. Yeah. That is a tasty, tasty piece of fish. No skin on this one, which is absolutely fine. I can take it or leave it. Beef dripping, battered haddock. Heaven. Here right now. I'm going to give that some cover. My wife will disappear into the cab with it. Someone was quite surprised there on what we were doing, saying they wish they had that job. It's not exactly a job at the moment, but it could be. With more subscribers, sharing the channel, and going onto the website at thechippytour.com. The better we do, the further we can go, and the longer we can be away. Yeah, we're really enjoying it. So, yeah, let's have a look at some reviews. 2-star. Been a customer since they opened. Last night, I bought 2 portions of fish and chips, same as the last review. Very greasy and fatty and slightly undercooked. Only ate the fish after taking the batter off. Such a shame from what has been a most excellent fish shop. 3-star. Fresh food but found it greasy. Was disappointed that there wasn't a range of fish. Menu just said large or small fish. Would have preferred cod. The oil made the batter go soft after a while, so I couldn't finish my meal. Food is cooked in beef dripping, so the food did taste different. Fast service and seating area was clean. 5-star. Wow, wow, wow. What an amazing place. The fish and chips are just the best and huge portion. The service was 100%, nothing was too much trouble. Blink and you would miss it. It's in a lay-by near Dunnington, super clean. I had small fish, which would be a large in other chippies. My other half had a large fish and chips, and I kid you not, it would have fed a family of 4. If I could, I would give it 10 stars. You must go and try it. Mine, 5 stars. The scrap box is ideally situated along the A1079 Hull Road, in what could be perceived as a lay-by, with good separation from the main road, making it an excellent location for families and children. There are benches outside in the lawned area, as well as tables and chairs inside. Everywhere was clean and tidy, and the staff were friendly and polite. The large haddock and chips were delicious, as was the fish patty, also known as a Yorkshire fish cake. The thick haddock fillet was encased in a light crispy batter cooked in beef dripping, accompanied by the tastiest chips and scraps. The curry sauce had a nice consistency with great flavour. Cooking in beef dripping, hygiene rating 5, cash or card. Fish reviewed, large haddock. Yeah, if you're passing through there anywhere near outside there, you know, it's worth travelling to in my view. So yeah, see you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell. And if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.